If you want to start an LLC in New York, this video will show you exactly how, step by step. No confusion, no unnecessary fees. Follow along and you can set up your LLC in less than 10 minutes. Also, sign up below if you'd like a free LLC formation checklist to make sure you aren't forgetting anything. We'll also go over some important things that you need to do after setting up your LLC to help you avoid issues down the road. Let's get into it. Before you file anything, you need a business name. Something most people don't realize is your LLC name is one of the most common reasons LLC filings get rejected. Your name must be unique in New York and include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC at the end of the name. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting the New York Department of State's business entity search page, linked down below in the description. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying domains. And to make building your website as easy as possible, we'll link a video below walking you through how to create your website in a matter of minutes. You could form your LLC and launch your online presence on the same day. Before you can form your LLC, you need to have a registered agent. Every New York LLC is required to have one. This is a person or business that receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. You can be your own registered agent if you have a physical address in New York and someone is available during normal business hours Monday to Friday at that address. However, since the name and address of the registered agent become public record, most people use a service to keep their address private and avoid missing important mail. The next step is filing the Articles of Organization. This is what actually forms your LLC. You can file directly through the New York Department of State's website or by mail, or you can form your LLC through a formation service such as Northwest Registered Agent. They're who we recommend, and we've used them to create multiple LLCs. They file everything for you, catch mistakes before submission. The process with them is quick and easy without any unnecessary upsells. Northwest files your Articles of Organization, handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Forming your LLC can feel stressful, but they're a straightforward way to form your LLC and get it done correctly. And if you're anything like me, you don't have the time or patience to do it all on your own. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by going to the Northwest link in the description. First, select the state where you're forming the LLC. We'll select New York from the drop-down menu, then click Get Started. Here you'll see LLC and the state you selected are already filled in. You'll see the state filing fee of $205. That's $205, the official New York filing fee, plus $5 for a copy of the filed documents. Northwest charges $39 to form your LLC, which includes their registered agent service for the first year. Their registered agent service will renew for $125 per year starting in year 2. Some formation services say they will create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or can charge you up to $250 each year to be your registered agent. That's twice what Northwest charges. You'll see the processing time listed here for New York, just 1 business day. It's similar if you file directly with a state, but other formation services may take days or even weeks to process your documents before they submit your Articles of Organization to the state, or they'll charge you an expedited fee for processing your documents more quickly. There's a good to know section down here at the bottom that answers common questions for every step of the process. If you ever have any other questions, you can call Northwest. You'll see their number listed right here, or fill out this form on their contact page. I give them a call whenever I have a question. I'm quickly connected with a knowledgeable person who can actually answer my question. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what's important to them on their manifesto page. Next, enter your unique LLC name. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notice, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. And don't worry, you don't need a lawyer when starting a business. Now you need to add your business's physical address and mailing address. Instead of listing your address, Northwest lets you use theirs. Like I mentioned before, if you use your home address, it becomes a permanent public record on the internet. Using Northwest address keeps your front door private. Next, choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means the owner or owners, you, run the show. Select Manager Manage if you will appoint someone to handle the daily operations. At any point, if you want to learn more, you can click on the question icon. Now enter your name as the member. Again, for the address, use the registered agent's address to protect your privacy. If there are additional members, click Add Member and add their information. Next are optional items. Everything is optional and a la carte, no forced bundles like you see with some competitors. I'll add the publication service for $375. I'll tell you more about what this is after we form the LLC. I recommend getting a tax ID, an EIN. Northwest will do it for you for an additional $50. Or you can totally do it on your own by following the instructions on this video that you'll find in the description. If you want to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but you should only do it after you're earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year. If you work from home, you'll want their premium mail service, so you're not listing your home address on any business documents, invoices, or emails. Again, helping you keep your information private. The premium mail forwarding option is $20 per month. I'll choose that option and have my mail scanned and sent to me digitally. I wouldn't worry about the trademark filing right now. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name you'll use publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Then enter your contact information, name, phone number, and address. This is for Northwest and won't be shared with the state. Next, create your account with an email and password. Finally, fill in your payment information, hit submit, and you're done. Once approved and your LLC has officially been formed, you'll receive your formation documents from the state, or Northwest will add scanned copies to your account. Now let's talk about a unique requirement for New York. Within 120 days of formation, you must publish a notice of your LLC in 2 newspapers, one daily and one weekly, for 6 consecutive weeks, then collect an affidavit from the newspaper saying they published the notices, and then submit the certificate of publication with the state. The newspapers must be in the county where your LLC is located. If your business is based in Manhattan, this can cost you $1,500 or more in advertising. As I showed you earlier, Northwest offers a publication service for $375. This handles the newspaper coordination and the state filing for you. You can do this yourself, but you have to contact the newspapers to have the ads run and collect their affidavits, and then submit the certificate of publication with the state. Be careful not to miss the 120-day deadline. The state can suspend your LLC's authority to do business, so don't put this off. Once your LLC has been formed, we recommend getting an employer identification number, or EIN. If you're a single-member LLC, this isn't a requirement, but we recommend it so that you can keep your business and personal finances separate. An EIN allows you to open a business bank account and hire employees. You can get it for free from the IRS's website in just a couple of minutes, or Northwest can handle it during the formation process. This way, everything is done in one place. Next is your operating agreement. New York actually requires LLCs to adopt a written operating agreement by law under Section 417 of the New York LLC law. You don't file it with the state, but you must have it on hand. This document explains who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks may ask for it, accountants may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document protects you. Even if you're a single-member LLC, this matters. Northwest provides simple operating agreement templates, so you're not trying to figure this on your own. Even if you don't use Northwest to form your LLC, their templates are free to download, and I've linked to them down below. Now let's talk about licenses and permits. Forming an LLC does not automatically mean you're allowed to operate your business. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or industry-specific permits. As a starting point, you can ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type in whatever city, county, or state that you're based in. Once you have your EIN, we recommend opening a business bank account. This will help you keep your personal and business finances separate. It keeps your accounting cleaner, makes taxes easier, and helps protect your personal assets if anything ever happens legally. To open an account, you'll just need to provide the bank either online or in a branch with your articles of organization, your EIN confirmation letter, your operating agreement, an LLC resolution to open a bank account if your LLC has more than one member, and a government-issued photo ID. We recommend contacting your bank of choice beforehand to make sure you have on hand all necessary documentation, as requirements can vary from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fees, and other fees, I recommend avoiding traditional banks and using an online business bank account. Bluevine and American Express offer accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest on your checking account balance. Link below, you'll find a video of the best business bank accounts and another video walking you through how to open an account. You should learn to get your finances in order from day one. You don't need to hire an accountant, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting software like QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. After you start earning some revenue and your expenses start to grow, it might make sense to look for a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you can work with a dedicated bookkeeper. If you want to hire a bookkeeper from the beginning, you could even have Doola form your LLC. If business accounting is something new for you, I've linked a few videos below that can help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the start, instead of trying to fix mistakes later on. If your New York LLC will sell taxable products or services, you need to register with the New York Department of Taxation and Finance for a sales tax certificate of authority. This certificate gives you the legal right to collect sales tax from customers. The application is free and is usually done online through the New York Business Express. But don't wait until after you start selling. New York says you should apply at least 20 days before you begin operating, and you can't legally make taxable sales until you've received your certificate of authority. New York also requires an annual filing fee based on your LLC's New York source gross income. For most new LLCs, this starts at just $25 a year, paid to the Department of Taxation and Finance. You'll also need to file a biennial statement every 2 years through the Department of State. It's due in the calendar month your LLC was formed and costs $9. I know we went through a lot, but starting an LLC in New York doesn't have to feel complicated. If you want the easiest way to get started, you can find the Northwest Registered Agent link below. If you use our link, we may earn a commission at no cost to you. It's a great way to support our channel. Now, to sidestep common mistakes new business owners fall into, watch this video. We also have this free course that goes over everything you need to know when starting a new business. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to comment below or message us. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.